For over a century, one of the greatest conclusions in science, based on the theory of natural selection, or as it is often called, the survival of the fittest, have overlooked two major subjects: a deep exploration of the science of survival and its relationship to economics and finance. My research in survival and prosperity has led to many discoveries. We don't need to be as strong as lions. We don't need to be as tall as elephants or giraffes. We don't need to be as fast as cheetahs or even falcons. We don't even need the largest brains. We just need to know how to be great at managing our wealth. Earth is the richest planet in the universe to us, and out of the possibly hundreds of millions of species alive, it is up to us, not the ants, the birds, or the fish. It is up to us humans who can save this planet through the use of our money and our technology. This is the survival of the richest.